Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm Sophia. Today I'm making chicken liver pepper fry with fenugreek leaves. I'm using fenugreek leaves because I have plenty of them in my garden, but you can use any kind of spinach. If you don't like spinach with liver, you just omit this from my recipe. Let's get started. Today I'm using 1 pound of chicken liver. I washed them and cut them into small pieces. 2 cups of washed and chopped fenugreek leaves. Half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds. 1 stem of curry leaves. 1 pinch of asafoetida. First we are going to temper these ingredients. 1/2 onion chopped. 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped. First let me show you all the dry ingredients. 2 tablespoons of black pepper powder. If you want, you may increase. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and salt to taste. 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Half a teaspoon of ground cloves. In a large frying pan, I am adding 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil over high heat. Once the oil is hot, we are going to temper with these ingredients. First I am adding the mustard seeds and wait till it splits. Now add all the other ingredients one by one. Now add the curry leaves. Add chopped onions and fry till it turns golden brown. Now add the ginger paste and garlic paste and fry for a minute. Now reduce the heat to medium. Add chopped tomatoes and give it a good mix. I'm adding turmeric powder. Let's add all the dry masalas. Coriander powder, cumin powder, cinnamon and ground cloves. Let all the masalas become well incorporated. Now reduce the heat to low and cook till it releases oil. Now it's releasing oil. I'm going to add the liver. Now add salt and black pepper and give it a good mix. Cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. Cook the liver halfway because we are going to add fenugreek leaves. Now add chopped fenugreek leaves and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes with the cover on. It's cooked thoroughly now. Just cut a piece of liver and check to see that it is done. Now it's ready. Turn the heat off and let it stand for 10 minutes before you serve. It goes very well with any kind of bread or rice. Fenugreek leaves have a little bittery taste and they're also good for you. Liver has lots of iron in it and it's very good for your health. And of course the fenugreek leaves are also very good for your health because they help to bring your blood sugar level down. If you are a vegetarian and are looking for just fenugreek leaves recipe, please check out the description box below. I made a link for your convenience. You always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Take care. Bye-bye.